Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video on the View into Huck's World. And as you can see, I am at the park. I'm chilling with the family. They're over there playing on the merry-go-round, chilling. And me, I'm doing a video. I just wanted to do a quick video and explain to you how I go about finding these free watch faces and also what I do to make sure that they're free before I do the review. Some of you all get upset at the fact that they're not free no more, which I don't have any control over, and we'll talk about that in a second. But what I do is that, first of all, if you want to know where all your watch faces are that you've ever downloaded and your wish list and also the watch faces that you've ever paid for, here's where you go. First off, you simply tap on your wearable app, and that's going to take you to this page, which is the home page. Look all the way down to the bottom. You're going to see Discover. Make sure that is lit. Right up over Discover, you're going to see View More. Once you tap on View More, it's going to take you to the Galaxy App Store. Once you get there, look up at the top. You're going to have a hamburger menu, which has 3 dots, right? Tap there. At the top of the page, just to say My Page. And under your page, you're going to find every watch face that you have ever downloaded. Now, what I simply do to make sure that the watch face is free before I do the review, I download it. I go back to my page, and I'll also take a look to see if it shows up at the top. If it doesn't show up at the top, then I do not review the watch faces. Now, if you want to find your wish list watch faces, they're there up under this page as well, and also the watch faces that you have ever paid for. You can find those here. Now, what happens is when I do the review, a lot of times the promo will end the next day, or maybe two days later, or just maybe a couple hours. Now, I have no control over when the promo ends. Sometimes I try to contact the developer to see if the watch face is going to be free a little bit longer or when the watch face ends. Sometimes they get back with me, sometimes the developers don't. So it's kind of out of my hands. So I did this review, so hopefully you could be a little bit more understanding as to when you go get these watch faces. If you don't make it in time to get that particular free watch face, know that I got more freebies coming. I send them out almost every day. So all you got to do is just be patient. And in advance, I apologize if you're not able to get that particular free watch face. It's kind of like Della Reese, right? When she was trying to get some orange juice out of the refrigerator and somebody left a swallow and she was all upset about it. Listen, I understand, okay? But know that the promos and when they end are out of my hands. Just go download ASAP, and if you're lucky, you can get it. If not, know that I got more free watch faces coming your way. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. That's it. That's all for this vlog type video. I'm going to spin around so you can get an idea of where I'm at. This is my first vlog video. What do you think, Jackie, Adrian? Hit me in the comment section down below. I thought that was pretty cool. Different, something I had to practice with a little bit, but all in all, I'm having a great day. Enjoy the rest of your holiday weekend. Be safe. Have fun with family and friends. I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out, and I'll see you all again at the next video, people. Take care.